Good morning. I am from Lokmanya Tilak School. Students of class 4th, we have started our chapter number 6, Animals Living and Surviving. In this chapter, we have read habitat of animals and adaptation of the animals, how they adapt new situation, new functions. Now we start aquatic animals that live in water are called aquatic animal lives in water. The special feature that aquatic animal need are the ability to move easy in water, breathe inside water, prevent water from being absorbed into their body. Okay, birds have webbed feet while turtles have paddle-like limbs which help them to swim in water. Their structure of body, their structure of feet help them to move in the uh, water. A fish has A fish has streamlined body which help us to move through water easily. They help us to move water in easily. The fins help to swim and maintain balance. Their fins help them to swim and maintain the balance. The tail help us in changing direction. They have tails and which helps in changing the directions. It breathes through its gills by taking in oxygen dissolved in water. They breathe by the gills and taking oxygen dissolve in which dissolves in water. Its body is covered with the scales to prevent water from being absorbed into it. They have scales to prevent water from being absorbed. Whales and dolphins have lungs for breathing. Whales and dolphins breathe through their lungs. They come to surface of the water every 5 minutes to breathe fresh air. दे कम इन ऑन द सरफेस तुरंत ऊपर आते हैं 5-5 मिनट में टू गेट द फ्रेश एयर टू ब्रीथ इन. See the picture of duck in water, crab inside water, and turtle in water. Now, amphibians. Animals that live in both on land and in water are called amphibians. Frogs, toads, and salamanders are the example of amphibians. When on land, amphibians breathe through their lungs. When they are on the land, they breathe through their lungs. Inside the water, they breathe through their skin. But when they are in water, they breathe through their skin. These animals have folds of skin. उनकी स्किन कैसी होती है, कई फोल्ड्स पड़ते हैं बिटवीन द फिंगर of their feet. These folds are called webs. These folds are called webs. They are able to swim with the help of their webbed feet. Okay, their webbed feet help them to uh, swim in the water. Now, arboreal animals. Arboreal animals spend most of their time living on tree. They lives on tree. Okay, spider, monkey, koala bear, orangutans, and trees lizard are the example of arboreal animals. They have strong arms and legs which help them to climb the tree. Their body structure just like their arms are strong and legs they, by which they climb the tree very easily. Okay, they can also hold on to the branches with their strong claws. देखिए strong claws से वो क्या करते हैं easily to climb in the tree. Spider and monkey use their tail as the fifth limb while jumping from one branch to another branch. Okay, they jump from one branch to another branch. Aerial animals. Animals that can fly and spend most of their time in air are called aerial animals. The animals they spend their time in the air. Such animals have hollow bones that make their bodies light. Their bones are hollow uh, as they fly easily. Therefore, limbs are modified into wings, which helps them to fly. Okay, that is clear. Help them to fly. Their bodies are streamlined, which helps them to cut through the air easily. Their bodies are streamlined and they cut the air which easy them to fly. Almost all birds except flightless birds like kiwi, emus and ostrich belong to this group. They all are belong in this group. Bats are also the part of this group. Bats do not have wings like birds. The skin between the arms and fingers is stretched and function as wings. Okay, their body function as wings. Adaptation for food. Okay, let's see. Animals eat different kinds of food, that is clear. Some animals eat plants, some animal eat flesh of another animal, and some animal eat spore. Different animal have different mouth parts and body parts to help them to eat their kinds of food. Okay, that is clear. Their body parts help them to eat the kinds of food. Herbivorous. Animals like cow, goats, deer, and horses eat only plant. Such animals are called herbivorous or herbivorous animals. Okay, they herbivorous eat only plant, grass. They have sharp front teeth that help them to cut the grass. Okay, they have sharp teeth for cutting the grass. At the back of their mouth, they have flat, strong, grinding teeth that helps them to chew the food. At the end of their mouth, at the back of their mouth, they have grinding teeth which help them to chew well. Okay. Now start carnivorous. Carnivorous or carnivorous animals such as tiger and lion eat the flesh of other animal. Carnivorous eat the flesh of other animals. They have sharp teeth and claws for tearing out of the flesh of their prey, ताकि वो अपने उसको शिकार को prey means शिकार को खा सकें. Birds such as eagles and vultures also eat flesh. Eagles and vultures they eat also flesh. They use their strong and sharp claws to catch and hold their prey. They have hooked beak to tear the flesh. They have hooked beak to tear their flesh. See the claws of the animals or birds. Hook beak. This is vulture and tiger eating the deer. Omnivorous animals that omnivorous are animals that eat both plants and animals. Dog and bears and crows are omnivorous. Okay, children. Now read this chapter 2 to 3 times. Draw the picture of herbivorous animals and carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. Okay, children. Good day.